Often you'll need to add images onto another image in order to build your product. So in this case, you can see I've got these four images placed on the background image to produce the advertisement. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these pictures in, but these pictures are not all shaped as squares. Now we could open these in separate documents and we could crop them all down, but that's going to take quite a while to do. What we're going to do instead is we're going to use what we call a mask. Now if you imagine taking a piece of paper, cutting out a square, and then holding that over the top of a photograph, that's how a mask works. Whatever you see behind it is what you'll see. You can move the photograph around behind it and you'll see different parts of the photo in the square. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take our rectangle tool and we're going to draw out four squares. Now if you click and start to drag, you'll get any shaped rectangle, but if you hold shift, that'll keep it a perfect square. Doesn't matter about the colour at this point. Once you've drawn one, you can copy it and you can paste it 3 times. So what you'll end up with is 3 copies of that, which is the exact same size. And you can go ahead and you can position those into your sort of almost window shape, if you like. Once you've done that, we're going to put our pictures into these squares. So we're going to use these as a mask. So if you select your first square, you're going to go File and Import, and you're going to navigate through and you're going to find the pictures that you're going to use. So remember, if you go into the Decider, Levers 15, Unit 1, Student, Tasks, Lesson 2, then Images. So I'm going to grab this one to begin with and press Open. Now, this gives you this little right angle, and what that's asking you is to draw out the size of the image. So you want to draw it just above this square, and what you're going to try and do is get it actually a little bit bigger than that. Once you've done that, position it so it's where you want it to be, making sure you can't see any of the square behind it, and you're actually going to cut it, and you're going to click on the shape, and you're going to go to Edit and Paste Inside. What that does is it treats that as a mask, and you can see there, look, that's actually put that inside that shape. You can go ahead and take your white arrow tool and you can move that around and you can see the effect that you get. So go ahead and add the rest of your images in. So once again, you click on the shape, you go File and Import, find the picture that you want to add, press Open, draw it out, cut, select the shape, and then Edit and Paste Inside.